So this challenge is mostly faced by small YouTubers who have just started on this YouTube journey. Yes, and in fact, a lot of people, the challenge they face is that it's either they get same range of views, for example, within 100 to 200, 10 to 50, 50 to 100 views almost all the times on all their videos. Some also, they don't get views at all. That's the 0 views that they get mostly. And so in this video, straight away, I'm going to take you through how to prevent the 0 view glitch on your channel so that you take your channel to a different level altogether. So without wasting much time, the first thing I'm going to talk about is that, you see, make sure your channel is verified. Whenever you create a YouTube channel, YouTube actually wants you to get your channel verified. So when it's verified, it tells them that they are not working with bots. A lot of bots are in the system, and so they want to first find out if it's not bot. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to find out if your channel is verified or not. And if it's not verified, I'll let you know how to actually get it verified within some few times. To check if your account or YouTube channel is verified, quickly you get to your Chrome version of the browser or any supporting browser, and then you're going to search for youtube.com/verify. all right, so that's it. This is the address you're going to enter over there at your search space. All right, so now when you enter it like this, you just press on search, and then quickly it will show to you if your channel or your account is verified or not. But before that, you need to actually log in onto that same phone. So with this phone that I'm using, my channel is actually logged in. So let's click on enter and see what will actually pop up over here. So straight away, yes, so your phone number has already been verified. So as you can see, this is my channel over here. That's the logo. Yes, my YouTube tutorial channel. That's a task tutorial. That's the logo. And then you can see it is showing me that the phone number is verified, and that means that my channel is actually verified. And so as I said, if you check it out and then you see that it is not verified, there is a video I have made on this particular channel that is actually telling you or showing you exactly how to verify your YouTube channel. It's very, very simple. You're going to pass through just some few seconds, and then you're going to get your channel or your account verified. So kindly check it out, the video categories, and then you can watch it over there. I will try and pin that particular video over here on top so that you can actually get it and watch it and get your account verified before you can proceed to actually do the rest on your channel. So that is it. Let's get to the other one. The next thing I'm talking about is that please do not be posting videos on your YouTube channel with watermarks from other social media platforms. For example, using, let's say, videos from Twitter, Instagram and other social media platforms while their watermarks are still on the video. A lot of content creators, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of starting YouTubers actually make this mistake, and it goes a long way to affect you, and that is the reason you are not getting the views that you want on your videos. And so please, if you have a video on your channel that is having TikTok logo, Instagram logo, you can do away with that video and discard that video from your channel right away. It will help you for your channel to be safe in the hands of YouTube. And actually, I'll make another video showing you how to actually do away or take off watermark from any video at all that you get, so that you can actually be publishing that video without getting any form of side effect on your channel. All right, and so if you want to get that video, if you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that when it's here, you can also watch that particular video. And so what YouTube wants you to do is that they want you to come out with your own content, genuine content, be creative enough. They want you to see your creativity and the genuine thing about that your particular video. Even if you're going to copy other people's video, make sure you just do it in your own style. That is what YouTube wants. So do not be downloading and publishing videos from other people's channels. It's not going to help your channel. So put a stop to that. The next thing I'll talk about is that whenever you finish uploading your video, please do not show your video to the public at that moment. Whenever there is an upload on YouTube, YouTube gets time to analyze the video to find out what the video is all about and to actually prepare the people they want to share or recommend your videos to. So whenever you upload a video and you publish that video, you make it public, all right, you are not giving YouTube time. It is now that they are going to get time to actually analyze your video and get to find out the people to share your videos to. So you see, and the dangerous thing is that within the first 2 hours of your video being published, you're not able to get views for that video. It also has a negative impact on the video. And the recommendation here is that when you upload a video, please schedule the video and give it some time. Just schedule it to 2-3 hours ahead. I remember I recently watched a video of one of the content creators was saying that for him, he gives it even about 24 hours. So for example, if I assume the time I'm recording the video is, let's say, 12, and so if I finish recording the video at this 12 noon and I finish editing everything, let's say about 12:15 or 12:30, I should not upload and publish the video at the same time. Fine, I can upload the video on YouTube, but shouldn't be published. All right, there's the difference between uploading the video and publishing the video. Uploading is getting it onto your channel. Publishing is it's getting it onto the phones of other people. Making it known and public so other people can also watch it with their devices. Okay, so you can actually schedule. I'll show you where the schedule tab is. You can schedule it so that YouTube can have time, analyze your video, find out the people that would need your video, and also the people that they would share or recommend your videos to. So you can give it about 2 hours. All right, so assuming I'm able to finish within about, let's say, 12:30 noon, I should schedule it to, let's say, 1:30 in the afternoon, or 2:30 in the afternoon, or let's say in the evening, around 8 in the evening, or let's say the next day. You understand? So when it happens that you're giving YouTube a lot of time to analyze your video, understand your video, and also to know the kind of people to recommend your video to, so that as soon as you click on publish, now they've actually get all the details or the data they want about your video, and so straight away they'll be recommending it to a lot of people, and that will help you to get more views right after you upload your video on YouTube. The next thing I'm talking about is that make sure your transcript, that is the transcript about your video, is having keywords in there. What do I mean by this? Now, your description, your title, your thumbnail, and even the video itself. So this is how you can optimize it. For example, you are talking about how to get more subscribers on YouTube. Fine. So some of the keywords over here is that more subscribers or subscribers. So make sure you use these keywords frequently in your video. So for example, when you are making that video from the start, you can include the subscriber in there, but make sure it tallies and it's in line and it aligns with what you want to say. The fact that you should include that subscriber as the keyword in the video doesn't mean that when you start the video, you should begin the video with subscriber, 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 just like that before you continue to actually say what you want to say. No, but hey, make sure it aligns with the sentence that you are framing or the video that you are making. So you can start your video like, do you want to get more subscribers on YouTube? Are you a new YouTuber in need of more subscribers? You understand? So these two sentences that I've been able to come out with, you say they are catchy, they are interesting, and they also grab attention from the viewer while you still have the keyword in there. All right, so that is the first thing that you should do. Secondly, in your description, the first 2 lines or the first line, make sure you include the keyword in there at the description, and then in the title too, you already have it over there, how to get more subscribers on YouTube. So the subscribers as the keyword is still over there. Okay, so when you do it in this way, you are giving a signal to the YouTube algorithm that your video is all about getting subscribers on YouTube. Not only that, you see, use the keyword to also save the video as the file name, not only the video, also the thumbnail. So how to get more subscribers on YouTube, you can use this same text as the file name of the video and as the file name of the thumbnail. So when it happens that way, you are helping YouTube to understand your video. And then also on your thumbnail, make sure you include the keywords or some of the keywords over there. And that is what we mean by optimization. Actually, I have a video solely about optimization of your videos over here on my channel, so you can actually watch it and get more details about this YouTube video titling optimization. And in your tags too, make sure you include the keywords that we are talking about here. Don't forget, some people include their tags at the description. The description area is solely for description, not for tags. There is a space that you should include your tags. So please, if you are fond of doing that, stop it from today. Make sure you include your tags at where the tags is. Include over there with then you separate them with a comma. As soon as you leave that space, you see that it will be folded in a box like that. All right, I will get you a sample on the screen to watch and see how it looks like. So make sure you always place the tags at the right place, not at the description section. And this one is to those who are having account or channels less than, let's say, a month or two. If you're having an account less than a month or let's say two, please make sure you make the account active. Make sure there are a lot of histories on the account, right? There are a lot of activities on the account. YouTube would want to find out that your account is not a bot. They are not dealing with a bot. They are dealing with a real human being. So use that account to comment on other people's videos, watch other people's videos, give them a like, so that it tells the YouTube system or the algorithm that this your channel or this your account is not a bot. There are some people, they create a YouTube channel and then, for example, they create it within, let's say, this November month, and then they will wait for about a month or two before they start uploading. Yes, sometimes it helps a lot, but a lot of people do create account, for example, on this particular day of November 2024, and then as soon as they create their channel, they begin to upload videos. No, please give your YouTube channel or account time to breathe. Just get it a time, give it more time. All right, use the channel to be active on other people's videos and all that. You are doing all these things with having something in mind, though, just to actually give the YouTube algorithm that your channel is not a bot, your channel is not a machine generated one, your channel is a real human being. You are a real human being operating your channel before you can continue to upload your videos on your channel. It helps a lot, but a lot of people do overlook some of these things and it causes them. So I don't want you to actually find yourself wanting in that particular thing. Actually give your channel time for it to breathe before you continue to upload videos over there. So as a small content creator, as a small YouTuber, please, the next thing I will talk about is that do not be posting more than expected within a day. You see, you are not having that many subscribers. For those who are having more subscribers or many subscribers, fine, they can be uploading multiple videos within a day. There's nothing wrong about that, especially if you are monetized. But if you're a small content creator, a small YouTuber, let's say you have 100 subscribers, 50 subscribers, 10 subscribers, 200 subscribers, and you are now growing, please, at most within a day you should be uploading, let's say, a single video. Do not be uploading more within a day. Let's say about 10, about 5 within a day. Which people are going to watch? You're having 50 subscribers, what people are going to watch? They will feel bored. You post about 10 videos within a day for 50 subscribers. Do you think they can get time to watch all the videos? No, they should be missing your videos. And so if you publish within, let's say today, one video, when they finish watching, they will be waiting for the other ones maybe the next day. So have that in mind. Do not be overloading your channel daily. Let's say 5-10 videos, no, at most one video. And listen carefully here, this one goes to those who are having less subscribers. If you're having more subscribers and even your channel is monetized, you can be uploading as many as you want. Try to upload at most upload one single video within a day, so that you wouldn't overload your channel as a small platform. The next thing is that, you see, as said earlier, whenever you upload your video and publish it within the first 2 hours, is very, very crucial. If you're able to get more views within the first 2 hours, it throws a signal to the YouTube algorithm and they'll continue to share the video and recommend to a lot of people. So the next thing I'm talking about is that whenever you publish your video, please use some other people's devices. If you have good friends that you trust them, that you know they can watch from start to the end. I've actually talked about a video or made a video on my channel over here talking about you stopping begging people to watch your video, but this one is slightly different. You see, now these people I'm talking about here is that the people that you know they can watch from start to the end, those who are having interest in that particular video, the video and the content in there resonate with what they want, their preference. Encourage them to watch that your video within the first hour after you publish your video. All right, and then you can also use your other account. Now I also encourage that you create multiple channels, multiple accounts. Use them to watch your video within the first 1 hour. Give a comment over there, like the video, and it throws a positive signal to the algorithm that, hey, there's a very good video over here, and so the system will begin to recommend your video to a lot of people. But the warning here is that do not create those channels on the same phone or device you are using and be switching them. No, a lot of people do that. It's never good. You see, each phone is having an IP address and the system is able to detect that. For example, the device I'm using now, where my channel is opened, all right, I have multiple channels. Okay, actually I have my first YouTube channel, over 3,000 subscribers, and it's monetized long time ago. Okay, Atta Smart Explores. So let's assume after uploading this particular video on this my channel, Atta Smart Tutorials, and then I switch to Atta Smart Explores on the same phone and I use it to watch my video. Yes, it will take that there's a view over there, there, but the system will catch me because it's the same IP address that I'm using. And so please do not open that channel on the same device. Use other devices. If you have other phone, you can use your wife or your husband's phone. You can use your siblings or your brothers, your sisters' phones, and then you can use it to watch it from start to the end. Make sure you watch from start to the end fully, and then you like and you comment under there. What happens that way, it sends a signal that that video is very important. A lot of people are having interest in it, and then the algorithm will begin to share that your video. For please, let me say it again, do not use the same phone. It will cost you and it will affect you. All right, so please use other people's phones or other people's computers or laptops, and it's going to help you. You're going to see a magic in the views of your videos. And the next thing is that, please, with all due respect, you should create quality content. Very, very important. Creating of quality content will help you a lot to be in the limelight. Okay, now all these optimizations I've talked about, if you do all these carefully, even to get 100%, and if you are not having quality content, if the content or the video is not resonating with the preference of your subscribers or the people they're going to share your content to, they're not going to watch your video. They will actually come, click on the link, come to your video, but they'll watch for some few seconds and leave. And when they continue to do that, watch for a few seconds, they'll leave your channel. It also has a negative implication. So make sure you come out with quality content. All right, content that is good enough for people to get time, spend enough precious time to watch. As you're watching this particular video, you are getting a lot of value from this video. And so even if this video is about, let's say, 30 minutes or let's say 1 hour, I'm sure you definitely get time, watch from start to the end, because it's giving you value, right? And that is what I want you to also know and have in mind. Make sure your video is giving value to the people who are going to watch your video, so that they can come over and over to be watching your videos all the time. And the next thing is that, please be patient. This one, let me get closer to you. Get closer. Let's talk as brothers. You see, I'm being frank over here. Be patient. YouTube is a business altogether. There are rules and regulations. So putting all these into practice, the next thing is to be patient. Have time for yourself. Give YouTube time to actually analyze your whole channel. Okay, now YouTube want to find out that you are not coming to test waters and leave. They want to find out that you are serious about what you are doing. Okay, and so it takes time for YouTube to actually recognize you. And I would also, based on this, to also encourage and advise you to be consistent on your YouTube channel. Be showing up always, all the times, almost every day. YouTube has several platforms or several ways of showing up. You can upload your video, that's a long form video. You can upload your shorts. You can also post at the community post section. All of these make you show up on YouTube, so be able to use them consistently. And with time, YouTube is actually going to notice you, and the recommendation will continue to start. Do not give up. Keep on the good work. YouTube want to find out that you are taking them seriously. You are actually taking YouTube seriously. When you begin to take YouTube seriously, being consistent, giving them quality videos, quality content, they will also tend up taking you seriously. So hand go, hand come. Okay, please make sure you sit down, make your own videos. Do not be copying from other people. Do not be taking other people's videos, else you are going to face a lot of challenges. All right, don't think today, think about the next 5 years to come, the next 10 years to the next 2 years to come. Where would you want to see your channel? If you are building a brand, build it from scratch and have in mind that you're going to earn within the next years to come. Do not be thinking today. Have a very long-term success in mind for your channel, and it's going to help you a lot. Please, if you have found value in this my video, don't forget to give me a subscribe, and please make sure you share this particular video so that it helps other people as well. Let's come together and support ourselves and help ourselves to also be able to succeed and earn big time on YouTube. A lot of people have been able to do it, and you can also be able to do that. Don't forget to check out on this particular video. This video is so powerful for you. Check it out over there and watch it, and you're actually going to earn and enjoy a lot over here. Please don't forget to subscribe, and till we meet next time, God bless you and do have a wonderful time.